Growing up in Malaysia, I'm pretty familiar with most Southeast Asian cuisine, but there's one in particular that I'm busting to find out more about, and that's Thai. From traditional to the modern, this is one of the world's most exciting cuisines. It's sweet, sour and spicy. Every mouthful is an adventure and not always what you'd expect. Weird. Weird. So this week I'm off to Thailand and my first stop is the ancient city of Chiang Mai. When we think of Thai food, we often just lump it into a single cuisine. But of course it's not the case. Thai food is in fact influenced by several quite distinct regional flavours. And I'm here in Chiang Mai first to find out a little bit about the northern variety, which I'm not that familiar with. Got long, Mark?